So for tasting, the alcohol content is very less, right? There's no issues.
No issues, because we will give you around 20 to 25 ml of wine.
Right, okay.
Yes, per glass. So, this wine is sparkling wine. It's white wine actually, but sparkling white wine. You know why in India we have one misconception. Like in India, people call sparkling wine as a champagne. But the reason behind the sparkling wine and champagne is made in Champagne region of France.
Correct. Yeah.
That's why we call that sparkling wine as a champagne. In India, we can't call it.
That they have trademark.
Yes, they have trademark. It comes under GI, geographical indications. Yes. If we say champagne, if we write here champagne, it's prohibited and we can. It's very illegal. Yes. So I will tell you a basic idea. We'll taste the wine. So this is sparkling wine. We don't need to swirl the sparkling wine because it has CO2 inside, which will be released if we swirl it. So for only sparkling wine, we don't do this procedure. Just smell.
Sip inside. Sip it.
And sip inside, yes.
And what is the reason why we swirl the wine? Like, any idea?
Swirl the wine because your wine need to get interact with air molecules. You will have the fragrance, the aromas of the wine will be matured with air, and you can understand like how the wine smells. You can understand if you are a very good wine taster or sommelier, you will know the basics of the wines. Yes.
I think we'll have to do that. एक course करके आना पड़ेगा अगली बार.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You always need to hold wine like this on the stem, because if you hold the wine like this, the temperature of your palm can destroy the wine. Destroy the aromas.
So you hold it like this, right?
Yes, always on the stem.
Okay.
This part is known as stem.
So always hold your wine with the stem.
Second wine is hedge block, made from the Chardonnay grapes. This variety comes from French. The grapes variety. The grapes variety name is Chardonnay. So as you can see here, Chardonnay.
Okay.
This wine is barrel aged for 6 months, and you will have very fruity aromas, citric flavor on your palate, and also some buttery flavor because of its barrel aged. So the barrel we have here is French oak and American oak. It's the best from the world.
So barrel, the wood you're talking about, the French
Yes,
oak.
barrels are like wood horses.
The wood you're talking about is
Yes.
French oaks and
Yes.
Okay.
The oak, French oak is a wood. Barrel is
the box.
made from the French oak.
Okay.
सेम वही दारू का रखता ना वही सिस्टम है. इतने पर ग्रेप्स का इसका रहता है. एसेंस हो जाए. सेम
First step with white wine. Need to see what's the color.
Okay.
Always see your color on the white background surface. You don't have white background surface. You need to understand if the white wine is more reddish, it's oxidized wine. You don't need to drink that wine because it's oxidized and it's no use wine actually.
Is it harmful?
It's not harmful, but it will taste bitter.
Okay.
It will not taste good.
खत्म हो जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिक खत्म हो जाएगा.
उसमें alcohol, it's get converted into vinegar actually, white wine. So the more oxidized, you can see the color, very pale yellow, good color. The next thing is swirl. Swirl for like few seconds. You can smell. Put your nose deep inside. Take a complete drink. What aromas you feel inside? What smell? Do you remember some fruits? What fruit you guys remember?
Grapes. Just kidding.
So similar hoga.
Cherry, plum, something like that.
Yes. Maybe green apple.
Green apple, yeah, exactly.
चेरी जो है उसको smell है.
So this is a fruity wine.
Okay.
It will be very smooth. A good fruity flavor on your palate.
Palate.
Yes.
It will be sweeter as well.
No, not sweet. You will have some citric flavor. Smell.
क्या है इसमें? ज़्यादा करके वो यार चेरी का smell ही आ रहा है.
So you allow your palate to
Yes. The complete your mouth should be filled with flavor.
yeah, that's what.
इसमें ज़्यादा आ रहा है टंग के ऊपर.
नहीं मतलब तू ऐसा करेगा ना तो पूरा
वही ज़्यादा आ रहा है. पहले वाला में इतना नहीं है. First was not so much strong in.
This is nice.
Very good wine. This is Chardonnay.
Okay.
Zinfandel Rose.
Okay.
जैसा मैंने आपको ऊपर बताया like the way I told you कि you keep this wine in contact for few hours with grape skin, like only 3 to 4 hours. If you keep more, the wine will be red. If you keep less, the wine will be white. So this variety is Zinfandel and it's an Italian variety. So try it. It's very smooth. Always ready to go wine. You can drink it on any occasion. If you are confused like what wine to choose to drink when you are on some places, you can always go with rose wine.
Rose wine.
Yes. It will always make you happy.
इसमें मैरिजेस में ये रहता है. ज़्यादा कर ये देखा.
Marriages में I guess they use sparkling wine, right?
Yes, it's sparkling.
ज़्यादा ये देखा.
Yeah. They have every
Welcome
wine,
drink में
but people prefer rose wine.
Rose wine.
अपना गाँव वाला ये रहते लोग. स्टार्टिंग में जाएंगे ना अंदर दूसरे तभी.
Cabernet Merlot. So it's blend between Cabernet variety and Merlot. Cabernet is more strong. Merlot makes the wine more smooth. So it's very good blend. It has around 13.5% of alcohol. Goes good with Indian food, spicy food, or cheese platter. So we love this wine.
टाइम लिमिट फॉर दिस एक्चुअली मींस इफ यू परचेज अ बॉटल देन कितने टाइम मतलब उसका टाइम हाउ मेनी
After opening,
आफ्टर ओपनिंग
after opening 3 to 4 days you need to drink it.
हां मतलब खत्म हो जाएगा.
मतलब डायरेक्टली एक ओकेजन में ओपन करेगा.
खोल के खत्म हो जाएगा.
एक bottle 750 ml, 4 glasses 150 ml.
खत्म हो जाएगा. 4 मिनट खत्म हो गया. इसका तो एकदम ही धमाकेदार रहता है.
कलर भी.
Always check the red wine as well. Always see the color. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा light हुआ, actually white wine, when white wine comes in contact with oxygen, white wine becomes oxidized red. But when red wine comes in contact, it gets oxidized. It will be completely brown.
Okay.
Completely brown.
So like some people might be adding colors as well, right? To get the no.
It's completely extracted.
Okay.
दिस थिंग ना जो एग्जामिन को करेगा ना मतलब सेल कर.
Meaning, like I've seen some red wines. It's very actually not like this. Very dark actually. That's why I'm asking.
No. They are extracted from the grapes.
Okay.
Good fruit.
Nice.
मतलब टेस्ट होता रहेगा ना एग्जामिन होता रहेगा.
This wine will be smell like some spices, maybe cinnamon.
Cinnamon, correct.
Would be more strong on palate. Will be more bitter.
Correct.
Your mouth
पहला वही हुआ बिटर लगा एकदम.
It's very
of
actually.
dry wine, not that acidic. Very well balanced.
Very strong aftertaste.
From York, the best wine we have. Aged 14 months in barrel, only 2,000, around 2,185 bottles are made this year. From vintage 2019, very special wine. Made from 100% pure Shiraz, no blend, nothing.
And what's the cost of that wine?
That bottle cost for 1400.
1400. Okay.
So the difference, you know what is the difference between the wine grapes और जो हम grapes खाते हैं? जो हम grapes खाते हैं, we cannot prepare wine from the grapes we eat because they are table grapes.
Okay.
These grapes are more small. The wine grapes are more small, has thicker skin than the table grapes, which we eat actually.
Okay.
They have seeds. The one we eat have
Does not have seeds.
Sometimes they have seed because the bitterness comes from the seed.
Okay.
You see it here, एकदम dark, and in front of this you can see the circle, very late red. The smell of this wine will be more towards the spicy. You will see some smoky aromas on your nose.
Exactly.
It's because of the barrel aged.
Barrel aged.
Yes.
Okay. This is aged for more time, right?
14 months.
14 months. Okay.
Yes.
तो उसी का कमाल है एक्चुअली ज़्यादा
हाँ,
barrel
सब
barrel
उसका ही है
वाइन मेकर पे होता है सर,
हाँ।
how you want to make wine.
करेक्ट
आप अच्छे फ्रूट से, if you have a good grape, the wine will be 100% good. But if the fruit is actually कमाल किसका है पता है? फ्रूट का है.
स्टार्टिंग
खराब फ्रूट से अच्छा वाइन नहीं बनेगा. बट इफ द फ्रूट इज गुड, अच्छा वाइन बनेगा अगर बनाने वाला हो तो, नहीं तो वाइन खराब नहीं
खराब
बनेगा.
है.
सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर टेक्निक्स.
थोड़ा हम सीखते हैं ना पहले खराब हो जाने के बाद नाउ दिस थिंग्स आर लाइक दिस थिंग ना तो कॉमन हो गया है. एक बार निकाला अच्छा तो बना के वो रेट सेटअप को डाल के बनाएंगे.
दिस वाइन इज वेरी स्मूथ,
And taste is also very
वेरी
Soft,
स्मूथ.
हाँ.
यू कैन फील सॉफ्ट टैनिंग्स. अगर ये वाइन बैरल एज नहीं होता तो पैलेट पे बहुत हेवी रहता है. बिटरनेस, पंजेंट, थोड़ा सा पंजेंसी में ये करेगा अपने पैलेट पे टेस्ट, एंड विल बी हार्ड टू गल्प. बिकॉज ऑफ बैरल एज द वाइन इज स्मूथ. टैनिंग्स का लेवल थोड़ा सा स्मूथ हो गया है. यू कैन ड्रिंक इट नाउ. वेरी गुड वाइन, वेरी स्मूथ.
और
When you will visit for that thing,
जनवरी टू मार्च
yes, I will be there. I'm sure I will meet you there. This time मुझे भी थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा था क्योंकि कुछ चल रहा नहीं है.
अरे वो समझ गया.
Verbally
Off
guided.
time है ना,
हाँ.
off time है.
Yes, yes, off
नहीं वही
time.
इसके लिए भी बात करते आ रहे थे लाइक विल कम अगेन सो दैट
Come
पूरा
January to March and you will enjoy. It will be your best moment. Because wine making में आप स्टॉम्पिंग देखोगे, क्रश ग्रेप्स कैसे क्रश होते हैं वो देखोगे, जूस कैसा ट्रांसफर होता है, एवरीथिंग यू विल सी, एवरीथिंग. यहाँ पे अभी कोई नहीं है, अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन है, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है क्योंकि रूफिंग वगैरह. यहाँ पे इतने लोग रहते हैं ना कि मतलब आप देखते होंगे कि ये क्या चल रहा है.
I've seen this in the documentaries and I've seen this ना.
Very
That time
easy.
I to wonder यार मतलब फजल्स होता है इतना बड़ा मैंने कहा मानना पड़ेगा. First time I've seen this actually मतलब साइट सीइंग मतलब सामने से.
Very, very,
बाकी मैं
very good.
डॉक्यूमेंट्री में देखा नॉर्मली सब कुछ. टीवी पे तो मैं पहले देखता था पहले.
थैंक यू अजिंक्य.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much for visiting us. Visit again.
श्योर या